have done my BE from the CMET, Center of Marine Engineering Technology, and now I want to help the IGNOU students who are studying in the distance mode. So today we will start from the MTE1, that is calculus. So in the calculus we will be discussing the block 1, which is real number and functions. So in the real number we will discuss that what is the meaning of real number. Real number means R. So this real number means R. We can see in the real line starting from 0 to infinity and here to minus infinity, all the numbers which are there belongs to the real number. And now in the real number we have many like integers, which means -3, infinity, -1, 0, 1, 2 and dot like that infinity. So it is called integral value. Now this part of the negative integer is called negative integer and this is called the positive integers. और फिर हम देखेंगे कि रैशनल नंबर्स क्या होता है. रैशनल नंबर्स होते हैं m/n where n is not equal to 0 and n, belongs to the integers. So it's called rational number. And irrational number means you can see that take the value of under root, take it as 5, under root 5, under root 2. It is called irrational numbers. And now we will be discussing about the properties of real number. Real number share some properties like additive property, in which two real number add to give, actually it is associative property. It's associative. In the same way we can see many inverse properties like a plus b equal to b plus a and many. It is not of the main importance. And now the main thing we will discuss is about the functions. Function is, suppose, constant function. The graph of constant function is like this. Modulus function, mod function. Its graph is like this. Mod function means -x or x. Now the other function is exponential function. Its graph is like this, ex and then ln x. Its graph is like this. Now we will discuss about limits. आप लिमिट समझ सकते हैं कि सपोज कोई भी ये फंक्शन ले लीजिए मान के और पॉइंट इट्स करेस्पॉन्ड टू सपोज 2 आ रहा है, तो लिमिट ऑफ दिस फंक्शन एफ एक्स व्हेन एक्स approaches 2 is 1. सो ये लिमिट का मतलब होता है. बेसिकली हम लिमिट को देख सकते हैं एज अ सिंगल फॉर्मूला लाइक दिस, लिम x अप्रोचेस a एफ एक्स. लिमिट के बारे में आपने पढ़ा होगा अपने 12th और 11th स्टैंडर्ड में, तो आई डोंट वांट टू डिस्कस इट मोर. एंड लेट्स नाउ move to the next property of continuity. So continuity means lim x approaches a fx equal to f of a. If this condition is satisfied means the function is continuous. Continuous function means the graph में कहीं break नहीं हो रहा है, हर जगह ग्राफ जो स्मूथ है, तो ये होना चाहिए. और again we can break it like this, x approaches a plus x approaches a minus equal to f of a. So it is the meaning of continuous function. So now we will discuss about the differentiation. Differentiation means rate of change. Rate of change. Okay. Suppose there is a function y which is changing with respect to x. So we can write it as rate of change of y with respect to x. And if the change is very much small, we can replace it by dy by dx. So differentiation मतलब क्या होता है? It represents slope, it represents velocity, it represents acceleration, etc. So you got the basic idea. Now, what is the meaning of tangent? Tangent means suppose you take any curve, the line passing through a point x and which is touching the curve at only one point is called the tangent. And tangent we can find by dy by dx, differentiating the function with respect to x. Now some standard values we can know. d dx of sin x cos x, d dx of cos x equal to minus sin x. In the same way, d dx of tan x equal to sec square x, d dx of cot x equal to minus cosec square x. It is called the trigonometry function. Now I would like to discuss about some important function like d dx of ax equal to ax into ln a, d dx of ex equal to ex, etc. You can do this. These are very easy things. Now friends, हम ये दो questions को आज समझेंगे क्या होता है इसका मतलब. Here lim of x approaches infinity where the function is 3x square plus 4 by 1 minus 2x square. आप ऐसा कभी अपने सिचुएशन देखते हैं तो आपका काम रहता है कि हमें जो है x को डिनोमिनेटर बनाना है क्योंकि 1 by infinity is equal to 0. So here क्या हम करेंगे, dividing the numerator and denominator by x square we will get lim x approaches infinity 3 of 4 by x square by 1 minus 1 by x square minus 2. So this will become 0 and 3 by minus 2 will remain same, equal to 3 by minus 2. Now d dx of x or x power sin x, how we can solve it? We will solve it by applying the log. How? Suppose x equal to x power sin x. Now applying logarithms. Ln y equal to ln x power sin x. It implies ln y equal to sin x into ln x. Now differentiating both sides, we will get differentiating both sides 1 by y. Now you know क्या फॉर्मूला होता है डिफरेंशिएशन का ऑन अ प्रोडक्ट. फर्स्ट डिफरेंशिएट दिस, कीप इट एज कांस्टेंट, अगेन प्लस डिफरेंशिएट दिस एंड कीप इट एज कांस्टेंट. सो cos x into ln x plus sin x by x, and now you can solve. It is very much easy. Sorry, here ln y, then other term will be dy by dx or dy by dx equal to y is x power sin x, so x power sin x into cos x into ln x plus sin x by x. Again hyperbolic functions. इसमें जो बच्चे हैं बहुत डरते हैं हाइपरबोलिक फंक्शंस. इसमें डरने का कुछ नहीं है. हाइपरबोलिक फंक्शन मीन्स ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन को हम एक्सप्रेस कर रहे हैं एज अ, क्या बोल सकते हैं इसको हम, एज अ एक्सपोनेंशियल फंक्शन. सपोज टेक एग्जांपल ऑफ साइन एच एक्स. तो साइन एच एक्स इक्वल टू ई ऑफ एक्स माइनस ई पावर माइनस एक्स बाई 2. सेम cos of hx equal to ex plus e power minus x by 2. Now from this 2 you can find your tan hx and cot hx, etc. So this is the basic. Thanks.